Okay, I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows and eyelashes. You need to look at your photo to not only see where the eyelashes go, but also to see the darks. Now, the reason why my eyelid is dark here is because I actually have makeup on, so your eyelid is probably not going to be that dark unless your photograph is not very well taken. Before we start, I want you to grab an extra piece of paper, and I want you to really quickly just kind of draw an eye shape on a scrap piece of paper. I want you to realize that those eyelashes do not look like sticks coming out of your eyeball, that the natural way your eyelashes grow, the top ones come from your eyelid and they kind of almost trace the eyelid a little bit and flick up. That's how you get the eyelash to look thicker here and thinner at the top. So this is your left eye, so here's the corner. So these eyelashes go this way. If you have your eyelash with the corner here, your corner here, then your eyelashes would go this way. Okay, so practice the top. And then also one thing I want you to do, here's your waterline. Your waterline, your eyelashes typically grow out of this bottom edge. They sometimes look like they're also in the middle of that highlight. So you'll have to check your photograph. My photograph looks like they're coming out of the bottom of that row. They kind of come in to that line a little bit. So again, the bottom row, you go from there and almost come upward and down, upward and down. But again, I don't want you doing it perfectly like this. Now it looks like a spider coming out of the eye. At least we have the right direction. It's a little bit better than this, but it's still incorrect. So we want to go, here's my water line. We want to press and lift. Okay? Go ahead and pause the video. Practice doing some eyelashes first. All right, the next thing that you're going to do is go ahead and do it on your final. Before you start, you need to have a super, super sharp pencil. This pencil is not sharp enough, so I'm going to make sure I sharpen my pencil. Your eyebrows are actually the same way. So if you have eyebrows, your eyebrows are more of the same motion. You would just do, it's almost like you're combing your eyebrow. But again, you're putting them in the direction of how they grow. Sometimes you start out with short ones here, and then they get longer and turn at the end. So that's kind of how your eyebrows are going to get put on. So eyelashes, again, I'm looking at my photo, and I'm going to go ahead and try to mimic what I see in my photograph. Right over the top of your shading. This is where my eyelid is. It's right here. So I'm making sure that I'm bringing them out that way. They get thicker down here. Bend them. Bend, bend, bend. Okay, and then here they're tinier and smaller, a little bit more sporadic. Sharp, sharp pencil. Might put a couple here. Sharp, sharp. They almost turn here in the corner. And there you have it. If you have a little bit of an eyebrow, my eyebrow is not in my photo, but my eyebrow would be up towards the top here, and I could, my eyebrow usually is in line with your corner, so I could put an eyebrow in if I need to, which mine's out of the box, but that's okay. You might have yours a little bit up here. Again, super, super sharp pencil, and you are drawing those short lines in the direction that your eyebrow grows, and then it usually arches about this part of your eye. And again, you already know that because you're looking at your photo. And I can just kind of come back. Short little lines. These are usually shorter here.